Spanish, pero in Valenciano is Creu Roja. Ayan, may kebab din tayo, guys. Ayan, o, diba? Dapat ano to, may bayad sa akin. may sponsor kasi ano, pinapakita ko yung ano nila, yung kebab. Ayan. And malapit na ako sa bahay. May Taco Bell din tayo, guys. Ayan. Ayan, inikot-ikot ko na kayo kasi iba sana yung daanan natin, pero naka-start naman na tayo, edi sayang naman. Ayan, may Taco Bell, Mexican food, ano nila dito, guys, offer nila. Ayan. Ayan, may roundabout tayo. Ayan, cute ng aso, oh. Ang cute ng aso. Sa mga ganitong oras, marami ang nagja-jogging, guys. So, ang tawag nila sa street na to is Cedre. Kaya yung roundabout, Cedre. Ito yung coffee shop noon, Cafe Paris. So, nung nag-aaral pa ako ng French, madalas yung mga classmates namin, dito kami nag-coffee. Tapos nagsasalita kami ng French. Ayun ba, nagpa-practice kami ng French noon. So, talagang sinasadya namin pumupunta dito sa Cafe Paris. Ayan. Cafe Paris. Ayan. Diyan kami nagmamarites ng mga classmates ko sa French. Noon, ngayon wala na. Mag-aral, tamad na ako mag-aral. And then I am going to show you guys another restaurant wherein they are preparing vegan and vegetarian foods. So, when we reach there, we will stop, guys. So, para makita ninyo yung restaurant na pinupuntahan namin. Malapit lang naman sa bahay. So, walking distance lang siya. God get lost in translation, Layla. Hello, David. You are there. Aren't you sleeping yet, David? Sorry, guys. I cannot see well my screen. I'm sorry. Guys. Cannot see very well the name. The Fitzgerald. Ayan. The Fitzgerald. It's a very famous food chain here in Spain, guys. So here they are offering lots of vegan and vegetarian foods. Mostly, guys, they are preparing burgers. Hi, David from Sislaya. Ayan. So, guys, we are going to stop now. I don't know how many minutes we have here. Thank you so much for your kind support. I was thinking to have only 10 minutes, but I think we are going to reach 30. I'm not sure. So, guys, thank you so much. Vegan beef burgers. Ogir, muchísimas gracias. Lau, muchas gracias también. Sister Garima, Ruby James Vlog, David Sheridan, Sis Leia, Sis Lori, thank you so much. Magi-stop na tayo, guys, at ako'y uuwi na. 12 visitors on the house. Thank you so much for dropping by and for staying with me during my short live stream. I must go, Leilani is late. Thank you so much. I am going to stop now, David. Thank you so much. So, bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much. Adios, au revoir. Adios. Ingat-ingat po kayong lahat. Happy Halloween. Bye-bye, Ogir.